Hi, this is Laura from Marshall County Memorial Library, and welcome to our turtle painting tutorial. Included in your kit are your canvas, a turtle stencil, your paints, a sponge, and a paintbrush. Make sure to remove the plastic wrap from your canvas. Take some white paint and swirl it on your canvas. Mix some of your white paint with your lightest color blue and swirl that around the white on your canvas. Now swirl the lightest blue around that. Now mix some white with the second color blue and swirl that on your canvas. Repeat the process with the next darker blue and continue on with the darkest blue. Mix it with white first, then you'll put it on full strength and repeat the process with the purple until your canvas is covered. Now mix the purple with some black and complete canvas. Now clean your brush and start blending the colors. You can also blend your colors using the sponge provided in your kit. Well, if you choose to do the turtle that's going towards the light in the corner, you'll just start with your lightest color up in the corner and work your way down. After your paint is dry, now place the turtle stencil where you want it on your painting. Now dip your paintbrush in the black paint. Make sure you don't overload your paintbrush and start applying it to the stencil. Make sure you hold the stencil firmly down. Continue painting until your stencil area is filled in. Once you have filled in the stencil, lift it up. And there is your completed painting.